Hot rice and beans here. Soft, fresh brown dodo deo. Hot rice, hot beans deo.
Mama Joy. How market?
I dey fine, auntie. Market deo. How you dey?
We thank God. Thank God.
How your family now?
Family day. Hey, Mama Joy, wetin happen? I just dey see Joy for house this day. She no go school. Hope everything dey alright.
She no well.
She no well. Which kind sickness they do pikin for night, for morning pikin well? No be Joy wey I see for compound where they sing, they dance, they jump around.
Auntie Nkechi, I tell you say she no well.
No vex, so it just surprised me say person go work from morning to night, every day, yes, no fit pay pikin school fees. Abeg no vex, so sorry.
How did this woman even find out? People don't ever mind their business. Eh? Boss, how many meats?
No, no put meat. Just bring the rice like that.
Are you not go chop meat?
No. Bring the rice like that.
Now so this country can't dey. Oh, no vex.
What the water?
I go give you water now. Oh, it's even Bella. Hello, Bella, baby. How are you?
Tenny.
Bella, what's going on?
It's Joy.
What happened?
She fainted. She just fainted. We've rushed her to the hospital now.
My baby. Bella, wake up. I'm ready to go.
You're just ready.
Yes, I have to go out in time so I can meet my early customers. I've already made breakfast. Joy's food is in her lunchbox. Your own is in that blue cooler.
Okay. But tell me, wait. I don't think they will allow Joy in school today, or... Yesterday I had to beg before the proprietress allowed her. But she said I shouldn't bring her if we don't pay for her school fees for last term and this term.
But I thought they would at least give her some grace for a while. Yeah.
I don't know. You know that I don't have money now. I would have helped. The money I had, I paid the house rent because the landlord won't stop threatening. And before I can have any money now is until like month end. I don't know.
Yeah, I understand. Please, can you just still help me dress her up? Help me dress her up and still take her to school. Let's try. I'll call her class teacher on my way and let's see if she'll understand. But at least let's try, please.
Okay, I'll try. Pray they listen to me. She's away. I'll try. No, have a nice day. Bye-bye, oh.
Yeah, bye.
Shit. Joy. Joy.
Hello, Bella. How far now? Yes, I did. I called her. I even begged her and begged her and begged her. I told her to please put the proprietress on the phone so that I can explain my situation to her. But the proprietress refused to collect the phone. I think she even walked away or something. You know?
Madam, answer me now. Take food for me. I be mad to go.
No vet. See, Bella, I beg, just help me take her.
Wow, they use me answer call.
Sorry. Help me take her home. Thank God today is your day off. Eh? Alright, dear. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you.
Oh yeah now. What's happened?
Sorry, sir.
Wow. Rice there, Abi.
Nice day.
Sell everything with 2 meat. Make it be 700.
I hear.
Yeah.
Hello, Dad.
I've been calling you since yesterday. Where did you drop your phone?
Well, Dad, I went to the club.
What?
What is what? Would you expect me to work my ass off Monday to Friday without relaxing afterwards? Oh.
Why are you stubborn like this, Samuel? Why?
I don't have answers to that question.
Why did you remove 20 million naira from the company's account yesterday morning?
Because I needed it, Dad.
For what?
What do you mean for what? They don't spend papers in club, Dad. They spend money. Money.
You spent a whooping 20 million naira in the club just one night.
Why do you like complaining about everything I do, Dad? Why? Why do you like snowping around my company, my business? You have yours. Focus on them.
It is my company.
And I am your son, Dad. Your one and only son. Your next of kin. And all this business, all this money, they all belong to me. They all have my place. Dad, I'll have to call you back, please.
My expensive clothes!
Hey.
I'm sorry.
Then what happened?
Look at my clothes. She got my clothes burned.
No, this clothes is so expensive. Why?
I'm sorry, it was a mistake.
This dress is so expensive. What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry, sir. It was when I was ironing the clothes. It was a mistake. I'm so sorry, sir. Please.
This expensive dress. Why were you not paying attention? Why are you so careless?
I'm so sorry, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir.
I can't believe this. My love, I'm so sad. Like you have the right to burn my dress.
Oh, it's fine. It's okay.
Sir, please help me better.
It's all right, okay? On my next trip, I'll get you another one.
Yes,
right?
you will get your
Will you shut up?
Shut up!
Stop, sir.
No, stop. That's enough.
Honey, you know what? I want her fired.
Fine. She's leaving this house this minute.
I want her fired now.
It's all right. She's leaving this house this minute. It's okay. It's fine. Okay. Sorry.
I'm just so sad. And I love that dress so much.
We'll get you another one.
Timmy, what is it? Are you okay?
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Is Joy okay?
Yeah, she's fine. She's just sleeping.
So what happened?
I borrowed money from a customer just so I can pay Joy's school fees. Because it breaks my heart that she's not been able to go to school for some time.
Can you believe that that woman showed up at my stand today with some random men and they were threatening me and demanding for the money? They even said if I don't bring the money, the men would take me away.
Are you serious? Eh? For ordinary bag of rice money?
I had to give her all I had on me. Plus the money I borrowed from her. Now I don't even know how Joy will go to school. But one thing I know is that I don't want my baby staying home again. It's too much. It's too much. Not again, please.
It's okay. It's okay, I understand. She won't believe what happened to me today.
What happened?
The shop owner. She came in and she kept on complaining that we're not recording the sales properly. We were thinking maybe it's unusual threats. Then, at the close of work, she got I and one other person, and she asked us to pack our things and leave. No warning, no second chance. She just dismissed us.
So sorry.
It's okay. I don't know what to do. I'm trying to be strong, but it's so hard.
Hi, baby. How you doing? Hope your work was good.
Darling, what is going on? Why is everywhere in a mess?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? The whole house is dirty.
Okay. So what are you telling me? What do you want me to do? Wait. I hope you're not trying to make me understand that you want me to clean the house.
Come on, darling, why you just...
Am I your maid? I don't get it. What are you trying to demonstrate? Am I your maid? Say, listen. If you know you want your house clean, go meet the agency that you normally call to get you maid. Let them get you one, and you employ them, and then let them do the work.
So because we don't have a maid in this house, should we live in a dirty home?
If you want a clean home, you know what to do. Go and do the needful.
What are you talking about?
Okay, that's fine. I'm done talking about it. Please, don't stress me. Don't stress me. Don't piss me off. Please. You just came back, so just go inside, drop your bag, freshen up, and then you get us something to eat. Did you get something for me when you're coming back from work? Did you? Or you just came back empty-handed? Because I'm actually hungry. I'm hungry. I want to eat something.
Hello, sir. I just want to let you know that I'm no longer working for your company.
What?
Your son just fired me today.
He fired you?
Yes, sir. As I'm speaking to you right now, I'm packing my things out of
What
the office.
is wrong with this boy?
He said I should exit the office in 24 hours.
I'm sorry, John, okay? I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry. I will talk to him. Okay? Samuel Tobechukwu Smith.
Yes, Dad. Is everything all right?
Why did you fire John?
Because it's my company, Dad.
No, Sam.
And I have every right to fire and hire whoever I want.
No, Sam.
It's my company.
Sam, it's my company!
Dad, you temporarily handed this company over to me. Look, you need to stay off and let me handle it. Let me operate it how I want to. Then I need you to give me free hand to fire and hire whoever I want. As we speak, I have already hired someone else for that position. So let's not talk about it, please, Dad. I beg you.
Listen, Sam. Listen.
It's okay.
Is she okay?
Yeah, she is. Thankfully, her appetite seems to be a bit better.
You heard what the doctor said. She needs the surgery, and she needs it very fast.
Bella, where am I going to find 2 million? Not one, oh. 2 million naira. Where will I see that kind of money? My late husband's brother, who promised Joy and I heaven on earth. He has not picked my call for one single day for the past 1 year. Meanwhile, the errand that he was running before he got killed was for him. Yet no remorse, no pity, nothing. Is it fair? Bella, it's not fair. What am I supposed to do? Where should I go?
I don't even know, eh? And I wish I had money. I would have helped. Eh? But see me now. See me. I am unemployed. Still looking for another job.
I know. I understand. I'm just so confused. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go, who to run to.
Boy, no need to stop crying. Stop crying in front of your daughter.
Mommy, why are you crying?
I'm not crying, my love. I'm not. Do you want more?
It's your biscuit, okay? No worry, Mom is not crying.
Do you want more? Just... It's okay. Yeah, have more.
Stop crying.
I'm trying.
Are you sure you're ready for this work?
Yes, Mom.
She's okay. I think she can do it. Or can't you?
I can, sir. Yes, Mom.
Because this one looks to me like someone if breeze just blow, she will just disappear, fiam.
Come on, darling. What are you saying? People like this are always stronger than they look.
Because if you don't work well, any small little mistake like this, I will just push you out of the window. Send you packing. I don't tolerate nonsense, so. You see my face, Abi? I do not.
Oh, it's okay. Go straight. The first door by your left is the kitchen. Go and start working.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mom.
My love, the money you say you sent to me is past 12 p.m. Alpha.
Yeah, it's true. You like money?
Of course, you know money makes me happy. So what are you talking about?
Yeah, and I have to take care of you, right?
I have to maintain the beauty. So I keep looking good.
Come here.
Oh.
Hello, ma. Please, can you come to St. Joseph?
What?
Yes. Your mother just had an accident now.
What happened?
Now. Please, can you come there?
Jesus, Mama Phil, where are you guys? Which hospital? Okay, I'm coming to the village right now. I'm coming. Thank you, Jesus.
Well done, bros.
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you. My baby. What's going on?
My sister just called me. She said Mama fell and they rushed her to the hospital.
Oh my god.
I need to go to the village right now. Please, I need to leave.
It is well with Mama. I decree that by his stripes she is healed. No evil will befall her, Before you go, let me just... Take. This should be like 10k. One of my customers came and bought plenty takeaway. So, just take it. Manage it.
I can't. You have soldier and school fees hanging on your neck. I can't take it.
You don't have money.
I can't. Don't worry. I
wonder how you even plan to get to the village. You don't even have money for transport. You just lost your job. I will
sell my big phone and buy a small one till I come back, okay? I will manage. Don't worry. I will see you when I come back.
If that's the case, we'll share it. It's okay. So we take it half like that,
Thank you so much.
God is in control.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry. So let me know when you get there. Yeah. Take it easy, okay? Baby.
You have fun, right?
Yes, ma'am. God forbid. God forbid. What is this? A girl we just employed in less than 2 days?
Sleeping by 2 p.m. Wow. Amazing.
This is crazy. I can't believe this. Look at how she's sleeping. Like a human being.
Comfortable.
God forbid. Oya, get up. Get up. Get up from there. Oya, outside. On my couch.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, kill you there. Good afternoon, kill you
Have
there.
you cleaned the kitchen?
Get out.
Have you cleaned the kitchen? Have you cooked?
This one? Cook what? No, we have to sack her. She needs to be sacked.
Sorry.
I should calm down.
We just employed. Oh,
Come here!
Relax, darling. We just employed her. Calm down. Let's try to observe her for a while, please.
Hello? Hi, son.
Hello, Dad. Good day. What's happening?
I'm in town. Yes. I just entered Lagos now. Meet me at the apartment right away. Whatever you are doing, wrap it up. We need to talk.
No, Dad. Wrong timing.
What do you mean by wrong timing?
Dad, I'm in the middle of something right now.
Something more important than your own dad?
No, something that needs my attention.
Babe?
Yes, babe.
I'm ready now. Come and give it to me.
Dad, I'll call you later. Bye. Take care.
Samuel. Hello? Hello?
Oh.
Hi, babe. Come.
What is going on? Why is this place a mess? Is everything alright?
I don't understand. Yeah.
Why is the living room looking empty? What is all this?
I don't understand you. The maid got sacked 2 weeks ago. And we haven't gotten any better placements from your agency. So what do I do?
Don't be like this. I told you I have tried to reach out to several agencies. They won't take my calls. They're not accepting my proposal. Apparently, I have been blacklisted.
Blacklisted?
But while we're waiting for a new maid, the least you could do is clean up your house.
Me?
Yes, darling.
Me clean? Are you not paying them? No, I don't understand. Why would they blacklist? Are you not paying? Is it not the money they want? Huh? Let me just tell you, please, I love soft life. Don't come and stress me. Don't come and stress me. If you want a maid, go and get a maid.
So,
book another agency. Don't stress me. What is it? I should be clean and sweeping as per what? As per I'm your maid?
It's not about...
Please get it fixed. I beg.
Look, you can at least clean the...
I will at least eat my popcorn.
You being serious? No vacancy anywhere, bro. They are not even replying my text messages. Not a single agent.
That's not possible. Well, except you have been blacklisted.
I think so too. You know, bad reviews, rants, complaints. I think we've become the bad red flag clients.
See what I'm always telling you? I always tell you this. You and Clara should take it easy on the way you treat those girls now. Yeah? What's even wrong with that Clara self? She's here to marry to you and she's already messing things up.
Austin, please, leave my girlfriend out of this, please.
Really? Well, I can't help you. I don't know how else I can help.
Oh man, help me out. Please, you have to help me. Clara won't lift a finger. It's really draining, please. Anybody at all. Any decent girl or boy, anybody at all.
You are sounding as if you have an ultimatum from this girl.
Well, she said if I don't find someone in a week or two, she'll pack her bags and leave.
Really?
And Austin, I love her so much. I don't want her to leave. Please help me. I'm dying now. Babe, do something. Babe.
Okay. I'll help.
Oh, thank you, man.
But on one condition.
Condition?
Yes. You must promise me that any girl I'm bringing to you now must stay at least 1 year.
What? What do you mean, 1 year?
Of course. No firing.
What is wrong with you? 1 year is a long time.
You heard me. You heard me. No firing, no drama.
Okay.
That's the deal. Yes. You must give me that guarantee that otherwise I'm off. Because this is too much now. You hire. You fire. You have to guarantee it, otherwise, count me off.
Thank you, my love. Baby, that's your father. It looks to me like someone who will live very long.
What is that supposed to be?
Nothing, no. You know, it's just so unfortunate that to be a next of kin to a man that has refused to die, it's a bad thing. Because I don't know when you want to inherit his properties. Is it when you're old? Now that you're young, you should be able to enjoy everything, but it is well. Oh, voila.
That's enough. Wait. Are you saying you want my dad to die?
Me? God forbid.
You just said it.
Me just, I'm just looking out for you, my love.
Looking out for me.
Because I don't want you to get old now. Now that you're young, I'm young. We should enjoy the old things first. Take your father's properties, his company, his oil and gas station. Enjoy it now that we should be enjoying it. Is it when we are old? But I'm sorry. No offense. I'm sorry, sir.
That's enough, please.
Okay. So you're telling me about the maid. What's up with the maid?
Well, yeah, the maid. Austin said the only condition is to pay her 1 year's salary up front. And that way we won't sack her for 1 year. That's what he said.
That's what who said?
Austin.
Is he mad? No, is he crazy?
Hey, honey, what is wrong with you? Don't talk about my friend like that, even though he is not here. Stop it.
Okay.
Look, we have to comply. That's the only way this will work. We need someone to clear this mess up. We can't keep living like this, please. We have to, darling, please.
Hey, it is well.
Please.
That madness, I think the madness is just trying to resume work. But I will stop the madness from resuming. If it's not crazy. I beg, see, I don't want to get angry. Please help me to massage my leg, please. Just massage. Massage.
Go to bed.
Oh, Joy, I miss you. Did you miss me? Are you sure? Yeah. I miss you. Babe, I am so proud of you. Last term school fees sorted.
Me too. See, I had to kneel down like this and beg that proprietress. I had to beg her to just at least give me 1 extra month to clear this term school fees, and she agreed.
I'm so happy I'm back in school. I'm fine. Good girl.
Yeah, she's a big girl now. She resumed school since last week. You let her see the joy on her face, like joy with joy on her face.
I'm so happy.
Me too. See, I'm happy for so many reasons. First of all, Mama is feeling better. She's back from the hospital. You are back home. Joy is back in school. Mama is feeling better. You know, it just feels like everything is falling into place. Like, God is finally answering our prayers.
Sorry, excuse me. Hello? Yes, this is Bella. What? Oh my God! Okay, yes, sir. Yes. Okay, yes, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yes, all right, sir. Yes, thank you, sir.
Wait, what's up? Why are you screaming?
Guess what? Guess. You know that more? I've always wanted to work. I've always submitted my CV every month.
Okay.
They just got me to resume.
Wait. Wow.
They asked me to resume as an ROSP.
Wait, what's RSP? What? RSP?
Retail sales personnel. I'll take a job. So that means you have to take the other job.
What other job?
Okay, there's this house help job I got from a friend through a friend. Though the pay is good, but you know I don't really like house help jobs. I prefer store jobs.
But the pay is good. How much is it?
200,000 per month.
It's a lie.
It's true.
200k?
Yes.
200k?
And you, Tenny, you have the job now.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Bella, what have you not done for me? Thank you. Thank you so much. See, God will bless you for me. I'm so grateful. But what about her? It's a live-in house help job, right? What am I supposed to do about Joy?
You know what? Don't worry, okay? I will confirm the closing hour for this new job. Then we'll sort it out. We'll find a way to sort it out, okay? Don't worry, okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too. Oh my God, I need to call my mother.
Sorry, you said you want to pay me at once for a whole year?
Exactly. And you have no right to leave until it completes 1 year.
Sir, Ma, please, can I come back tomorrow with my final answer?
Huh? Sorry, is that supposed to be for us or for your inner mind? Are you okay? Huh? No, who the hell do you think you are to keep us waiting for you?
Oh, it's fine. You can come tomorrow. We will wait for you.
Huh? Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ma.
My love, why would you behave like that?
Honey, we have to be careful. This is the only option we have now. So we need to play calm and smart at the same time. Please. Excuse me.
Wow. Hey! 1 year salary up front?
Yes.
Girl, you should be happy. I mean, with this now, you'll be able to pay Joy's school fees in advance. I also pay for her surgery.
I thought about it too, but what if I change my mind? What if I want to quit? It just feels like a trap.
What? Why would you want to quit? Huh? I mean, why would you want to quit a job that pays you good? Comes with free accommodation, free food, with a fat salary. Come on, why would you want to quit? Girl, listen. Listen, you have to do this for Joy, okay? So please, take it. Come on.
Fine.
1 year salary up front?
Fine. I'll take it. Thank you.
Ha! Hey, you should be happy, please, okay? Okay? Come on, I think you have malaria.
Good day, sir.
Good day. You're here?
Yes, sir.
So have you decided yet? What's your decision?
Yes, I've decided, sir. I'll take it.
You will? Wow. That's what I'm talking about. Nice, nice, nice. So where are your things?
Yeah, outside.
Outside. Okay, so go bring them in, and the room upstairs to your left is yours. All right? And also, I have different sizes of uniform in there. Pick anyone that fits you, put it on. Hurry.
How long will it take you to unpack? 10 years? Huh? Now get into these clothes and be useful. And do not even let me call your name. You get it? You deaf?
Okay, ma.
Nonsense.
It's all my drink for you.
Oh, darling, so I'll try to come back on time because I need to rest.
Mm-hmm. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Are you blind? Let me get it straight. Are you crazy? Are you so daft? Can't you see I'm holding a bag for you to come get it for me and take it to my car?
Mm-hmm.
What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry, sir.
Is that how you want to walk in this house?
Like you're sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
This guy must be very stupid. You saw us coming, oh. We even took a step forward to see maybe, okay, you would even stop and say, okay, Oga, you didn't stop. We're just busy mopping. Like the mopping is very important, very essential.
Like,
than your boss.
can you imagine?
Than this fine man. You're a very stupid person. Very stupid. Mrs. Mopper. Mopper of the whole world. Let me just clear you, because I'm sure you don't know. Let me just let you know now. You see this man here? This my Odogu, my love. He's the next of kin. His father is super rich. And very soon, will take over and become billionaire. The youngest couple of the whole world that has the money.
So much money.
So be careful, oh. Be very careful because I don't know what you're doing. Because if you become rich now tomorrow, is this how you serve next of kin?
I don't get.
How you serve Odogu?
I'm sorry, mom.
Take the bag to my car.
My love, please, let's just
So, like I said, I'll try to come on time because I have a whole lot to do.
Hello, Bella. How far?
Hi, baby girl. How is it going?
Oh dear. Just there, Jerry. Just there. How are you?
I'm doing great too.
How about Joy? How is Joy?
Yeah, I dropped her at school already and I'm off to work today.
Thank you. Thank you so much for everything.
You're welcome, girl. Babe. What about that surgery? Have you spoken to the doctor?
Oh, yes, I've spoken to the doctor. In fact, I've even paid.
Wow. That's a beautiful news. Then we should go ahead with it as soon as possible, right?
Yes, I think we should. The only thing now is I don't even know how to tell my boss. You know, this one that I just resumed. For me to now start taking permission, asking for days off, it's somehow now.
Come on, Tini, talk to him. I'm sure he's human. He will understand.
Okay, I'll try. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. God will bless you for me.
You're welcome. Stop thanking me.
Oh, yeah, no problem. Please, my love to Joy. Let me get back to work.
All right there, okay? Bye.
Bye.
So, how about your new maid?
Oh, man. She's okay. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. I don't know what I would have done without you. Now the house is neat. I feel good again. I almost fainted doing the house chores alone. I swear, man.
Do you think it's easy? Well, I'm glad you love it.
Yeah.
That reminds me, your dad called me.
My dad called you? Why?
What else? He complained about your usual nonchalant attitude.
That man, look, he's overreacting. He's old. He needs to relax. Look, I'm in my prime. I'm enjoying the best moment of my life. Let him relax. I don't know what's wrong with him. He's reacting all the time.
Can you listen to yourself? Sam, look, no matter what you think about him, okay, he is still your father.
I never said it's not.
Then listen to him. Is it difficult? Call him sometimes. Care about him.
Oh.
In fact, send him money sometimes.
Yes, more than accepted.
Except you want to become a prodigal son.
What are you talking? What is that supposed to mean? Prodigal son. Look, my father and I, we know how to handle ourselves. Okay? So relax. Just let it be.
Okay.
Stay clear. What's wrong with you? Just reacting.
Go and ask people that don't have fathers so how they are feeling though.
I know, but let him relax. I'm enjoying the best moment of my life. I'm young. Let him just chill, man. I need to feel myself. I need to enjoy my life. I need to live freely.
So is he stopping you?
He's choking me. That's the point. You don't get it. He's choking me.
Okay, oh.
Let me relax a bit.
Once I did not tell you anyways.
He's old. I'm young. I'm flexing. This is... What is this?
It's jollof rice and chicken.
Next time, don't wait for me to ask you what's in a plate before you tell me what's in it. If I open it and I do not like it, I promise you won't like my reaction either.
I'm here, Ma.
I just realized that my dirty underwear in the laundry basket has not been washed. Why didn't you wash them?
Well, I thought it was a mistake. Your underwear.
Your underwear killed you, dear. Oh! So as you're doing that hand is to ask me a question? So that purse that you just paused is for me? For your madam? In this house? Eh? Okay. So we paid you for 1 full year to go strolling, to be cooking. You know, be cooking food now, rice and stew, jollof rice and maggi, be cooking rubbish, putting salt in the food. That's what we paid you for. Let me just tell you, my husband and I, we paid you to be washing my underwear. To scrub everywhere scrubbable. Scrub it and wash it. That line in the middle, you must wash that line. That line must be clean, you must bleach it. You must bleach the line. If not, there's problem with me and you. Mark it! Oh! Okay, you want to beat me? Okay now, beat me now. Beat me, take me on. Take me. Let me just warn you, I give you 30 minutes. In 30 minutes time, if you don't wash that thing clean, sparkling clean. If not, oh my goodness and Lord, my God, I swear to God who made me, you would know the difference between why you're wearing that Maid uniform and why I'm wearing orange and black. Try me. Just try me. Try me and see. Nonsense. I'm talking, you're talking. I'm talking, you're strong, we're both madam now. We're both madam in the same house, we're both boss. We're both CEOs. Come on, ask hello. Come on, that we're paying, no. Thunder, Mali, locate you.
Tell me, what did you wash my shirt with?
I used the washing machine.
The what? You washed my shirt with a washing...
Yes, sir.
What happened to your bare hands? What is wrong with you?
Sorry, sir. I didn't know I'm not.
You didn't know what? You washed my this expensive shirt with... The shirt cost a fortune, for Christ's sake. What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry,
The
sir.
next time you wash my shirt with a washing machine, and make sure you pay for it. What did I say? You pay for it.
So I can wash it. Yes, I'll wash.
A year? Really? How am I supposed to stay a whole year in this place? God, this feels like hell already. It's not even up to 2 weeks. Yet it feels like 10 years. God help me. Hello, Bella, how far?
Tini, I'm okay, and you?
I'm good. I'm good too.
Okay. Have you spoken to your boss yet about the surgery?
Not yet.
Babe, you need to be fast though. Don't delay again.
I know. I will.
I mean Joy.
Joy. What happened to Joy?
It's nothing serious, okay? She only complained of a serious headache today. Hello? Hello? Tini, are you there? Hello?
Sir, please, I want to speak to you for a moment.
What is it?
So first of all, I'm sorry about the other time. Also, I have a daughter and she needs surgery.
So why are you telling me? Am I a surgeon?
I just wanted to ask for a few days off, sir. So I can go and take care of her. I promise I will not exceed those few days.
Few days off of what? Huh?
My daughter needs surgery.
Oh, so you're a mother?
Yes, ma'am.
So where is the husband? Oh, you got pregnant out of wedlock?
He's late.
Oh, who killed him? You did?
Darling, it's okay.
Huh?
Honey, it's okay.
I'm just trying to...
You've only just resumed. And you have been paid in full. So there's absolutely no reason to let you leave the workplace for that number of days.
Sir, please.
It's not going to work.
Sir, please, I beg you, please. Please.
Don't distract me, I'm working.
Sir, I beg you in the name of God, please. Sir, please.
I said I'm working, don't distract me.
Let me just calm down, okay? Calm down. All right? See, I'm going to talk to the person who introduced me to the job, okay? I'm sure if he steps in, everything will be resolved, okay? Calm down, just breathe.
Okay. Thank you so much, Bella.
You're welcome. I want you to go to bed. Just sleep and rest. But I know you will not be able to close your eyes till daybreak. I know, but just try and rest, okay?
Thank you. God bless you.
It's fine. No problem. Joy is fine. She's asleep. Alright?
Okay. Good night.
Good night. Take care, okay?
Okay, that's fine. Forward it to my email now, okay? That reminds me about your maid. I learned she wants to get her daughter's surgery done and you're refusing to give her some time off. Come on, Sam. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? You are a man, for goodness sake, and perhaps you'll become a father someday. Would you want your own daughter to be treated like that? See, please, this is a matter of life, okay? Give her some time off to go and attend to her daughter, and then she'll be back to work. Is that too much to ask for? I take your silence to mean acceptance. Thank you for that, okay? Forward that stuff to me, thank you.
I think we should let her go.
What? Let who go?
Tell me.
As for what now? Like why would I want to let her go? For what reason? Sam. I just hope it's not what I'm thinking now.
What do you think?
That you haven't started liking this girl.
Oh, please don't be.
I just hope.
Stop it, darling. Look.
Okay.
We're talking about a child's life here. Please. But I thought about it and I realized it's the best thing to do. Let her go. Please. Please, darling.
Okay, that's fine. No worry. No problem. Please move your hand. Just move your hand. Just stay. It is well. It is really well. Are you done?
Yes, I am. No. After the surgery is done, I'll have to keep her to myself. Just so I can take care of her before she goes back to school. I know it's a lot of work, taking her to school every day and picking her up. And I'm so grateful for that. But then after the surgery, she's going to need very intensive care, and I don't want to stress you at all. Even though I don't even know what to do. I'm so confused.
Timmy, why don't we take this one step at a time?
I know. I'm just so scared. Especially with my boss.
Don't worry, okay? When we get to that bridge, we will cross it, all right? All you need to do now is focus on the surgery. Everything will be fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am. Everything will be fine. You are a strong woman, and I believe in you. Okay?
She'll be fine. Thank you. You are more than a friend. Bella.
Stop thanking me. You are more than a friend to me.
Babe?
Yeah?
Your phone is ringing. It's your dad.
Oh, Vivid.
I should leave it.
You heard me, leave it. Just leave that old man.
What if it's something important?
You've been with me for a long time, darling. Tell me, has he ever called for anything truly important? All he ever does is lash out on me all the time, try to control me, insult me, and honey, look, I'm busy in here. Just leave me.
Come on, baby. Well, you're right, though. But
just drop the call. Leave it there, darling, please.
Okay, if you insist.
Yeah, I insist. Yes, who's it? Come in. Austin, you didn't tell me you were coming. And what's with the bag?
Sam, we need to talk.
Talk? What are you doing with your daughter here?
Sam, you're not going to start creating a scene before this little girl, do you?
It had better be something reasonable, else.
Please. Just hear me out first, okay?
Whatever. Sit and talk what you want to say.
I don't understand. What's going on here? She wants her child to stay here, as in how? Is there a charity home or something?
Honey, please calm down. Please. At this point, we don't have any choice at all. Do you want us to start looking for another maid? Do you know how long it took us to get this one?
Hi.
I'm sure you know that.
Wow.
Look, Austin begged me. He begged me so bad that I couldn't say no to him.
But you can say no to me, right?
Please don't be...
No, you can say no to me now. Austin begged you. Oh yeah, wait now. So what are we going to tell people about this? Because we are not related. So how can we explain this?
I mean, she's only going to be here for the meantime.
For the meantime?
Before we know it, she's gone. The little girl just had a surgery.
Okay.
Austin said she's going to her aunt's place in no time. Please.
Hey! Oh my goodness, Sam. This is not my man now. Sam, what's going on now?
Nothing.
Sam, what's going on?
Daddy, nothing is going on.
Oh, wait, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Oh my God, what are you thinking?
I hope it's not what I'm thinking, oh.
Come on, Clara, don't.
I just hope.
Don't be ridiculous, please, I beg you.
I should not be ridiculous?
Don't be, please. I am not hiding anything. I'm just being transparent. And of course, considerate.
Okay, so I'm the one that is not considerate.
Come on, darling.
No, that's what you're saying now.
Look.
I'm not considerate. I'm wicked. I'm an evil person. Don't say it. Say it loud. Say it loud. Then I'm mean.
Look.
Say it.
Babe, listen. What I'm asking you to do is show some humanity.
Oh, wow. Hey. Sam. I should show some humanity.
That's it. That's a little girl.
Okay. No wahala. That's fine. Hey! Can't believe this.
Please.
Okay. No problem.
Madam.
Fine. Your child can stay here.
Thank you, Ma. Madam, thank you so much. God will bless you. I really appreciate this.
But on one condition. You see, I don't want any mix-up. I don't want people assuming if we're related or asking some silly questions. You know, it won't make any sense. You get me? So what we're going to do right now is that the only way she can stay here is only if she wears the uniform, same as you.
Madam, that's the maid uniform.
Correct. That's going to make it very clear. She's not my child. So yeah, I don't want... We're not related, you know? Nah. So are we understood?
Joy to wear the maid uniform.
I don't like repeating myself, my darling. I'm done talking to you. Get us straight.
God, please just help me through this. Please.
Babe, you don't understand. This man is super, super rich. And my man is going to be the next of kin, you know? And that makes me, what? The wife of a billionaire, you know?
Babe, I'm so happy for you. That is what every woman out there is looking for.
I tell you, my love. But now the issue now be say the man won't reply. Every time they go doctor appointments, eh? They carry in drugs every time. Which kind of man be this one? In life too sweet am. But he must die.
Baby girl, take it easy now. Now you won't buy the man. Before I forget, how far with the new maid?
Oh, that one? Huh. My friend, that girl and I Maid, but I Maid went fine. She fine, sha. But I did lucky saying I make quick notice, I quickly observe this fineness. And I go ensure say I do everything within my power to make sure say Sam no looking for eyes. Sam must not look that girl. I go frustrate her. You know, trust me. I go frustrate her life. I go make sure say I frustrate her and commode that fine for her body. For this house. Huh, should they play? No wahala.
My girl, you too smart.
My friend, I Lagos with this, so no darling. We I don't call dolo. Wahala. How you doing now, babe? I'm on this serious, they sweet me. What's going on here? What is happening here? What are you trying to do with my spoon?
Sorry, ma'am. Just cleaning and arranging.
So where's your daughter?
She's sleeping.
I did not ask you that question. If she likes, she sleeps. If she likes, she payment, it doesn't concern me. No, why is she even... Wait. What's happening here? So you fed her with my golden spoon. No, why is she eating like a glutton now? What's happening now? Eh? This is the third time. The third time. Okay, she has seen a rich man's house. Abi? So she wants to empty the whole house. So we'll go broke. Answer me now.
No, ma.
You want to really answer me? Get up. Shut up your mouth. You want to really answer me? You don't have respect? Clean this table, Jared. Clean this table. Imbecile. With my golden spoon? Can you afford this golden spoon? Can your husband afford this golden spoon? Use that rag, use the rag, use it well. Mop the floor, mop it the table. Nonsense human being.
Good morning, sir.
My love. Please, I want her to help me get something off at the market. So kindly drop her off. Because you know those keke boys now on the way. And they hardly come by this time. So help me, my love.
Okay, no problem.
I love you. Thank you, baby.
Love you.
Love you too, my love. Yeah.
Hello, Bella. Bella, I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Bella, I said I'll call you back.
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind? I offered you a lift, and you think it's proper for you to make noise in my ears?
I'm sorry.
What gave you the audacity to do that? You know what? Get out.
I'm very...
I said get out of my car!
Okay, I see. So because you had just little time, you want to use it to branch.
No, I didn't go anywhere. I was just...
Shut up your mouth, your dirty mouth. Ha! Oh my goodness, so why? Eh? So you're so wayward. So you are highly irresponsible. Oh my goodness. You had a daughter in this house, so who did you drop this? So, okay, even though you don't even pity yourself, what about the small maid of a child that you have in this house? Won't you pity her? Won't you have mercy for your child? Okay. Oh, so you left her for me to become the nanny? So I should be packing her bomb shit. That's what you want? Tell me, or whatever they call your name. So it's because I'm so nice. That is why you took it for granted. No, answer me now, because I was so nice. Let me just warn you. If you repeat this thing again next time, if you try it again, you will hate me. You will... Okay. You want to cry? Is that the part? You want to cry? No, I've not even started. You're blinking your eyes. Is that eyes for tears or for what? Or you're eyeing me? Are you eyeing me? Let me know. Let me know what's going on here. Are you eyeing me? Okay. Don't try it again next time. Do not try it again next time. Hope I'm clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Okay, just yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm a talkative now. I have talk. All you will say is yes, ma'am. So when I rant, talk, you don't say yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm a radio. I don't blame you now. I don't. What else do you have to say?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry we'll kill you there. I'm sorry we swallow you to Mali. Nonsense. Wayward mother. Very anyhow girl. What kind of life is very ugly? Ugly Imbe and you are firstborn. Born by mistake. You born past you want to bring another in this family, in this house? You are joking.
Calm down. Have you forgotten you signed a 1-year contract? Just calm down, please.
See, Bella, no. Bella, no, this thing is not fair. It's not fair now. The way I get treated in this house it's just like as if I'm an animal. Even animals get treated better than this every time. What is it? It's not fair. I have to go.
Please, Danny, don't act in anger. Just calm down, okay? Again, don't forget have used your 1-year salary already. And you don't have any other money to refund if you must leave.
Very useless girl. Very anyhow. Jesus! 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 Tell me!
Oh my God,
Ma! Tell me! Come downstairs! Come downstairs! Come downstairs.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what is my offense? What is my offense that I allowed you and your child to stay in my house? So your plan is to kill me? Okay, you want to kill me? Oh, that's your plan, you want to kill me? Just answer my question. That I sent your small little maid to get me a bowl of water. And then she spilled on the floor so I can break my leg. Then you marry Sam. That plan has failed now. I am too big. I am bigger than what you can ever imagine in your life. You want to marry my husband? No. My husband? Tell me you have failed. Tell me you have failed, though. Your child has failed. You have failed. She has failed. All of you will continue to fail in this life. Oh yeah? Pick that bucket. Pick the ball. Nonsense. Sorry will kill you there. That's sorry. Go and get mop. You will mop this whole place. You will mop the floor. You will mop the wall. You will mop everywhere. Your plan will never work. Never in this life. Never to come. I will walk here. I will not fall in my house. Never. You will mop this place. You will mop it. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sorry. Who do you want to see, please?
Actually, I'm Sam's father.
Oh my God. You're welcome, sir. Please come in, sir. I'm so sorry. Please.
Grandpa!
Hey. Sir, so sorry. Please don't mind her. She calls every elderly person grandpa or grandma. I'm so sorry, please, sir.
Oh, please don't stop her. Come here, young beautiful lady. Ah. How are you?
Hi.
What's your name?
Joy.
Ooh, wow, Joy. And where is Sam?
Oh, he hasn't been home since yesterday. But Auntie Clara went out just a few hours ago. I'm sure they'll be back soon, sir.
This one. He will come and meet me. I'll wait for him. And by the way, who's Clara?
His girlfriend, sir.
Oh, that brat.
Sir, please just take a seat. Let me get you something.
Continue watching your cartoon. What's the name of your cartoon?
Happy.
Huh? Oh, whatever that is. I'm enjoying with you.
It's Paw Patrol, sir. She enjoys watching it. Okay. I'll get your drink.
So, Joy, how old are you? 4 years. I was saying, if you like SpongeBob.
I like SpongeBob.
I'm enjoying her company.
Wow.
Such a beautiful soul.
Thank you, sir.
I don't like football.
Her name is Joy.
Yes.
She's giving me joy.
SpongeBob. Everything SpongeBob is boring.
You want Grandpa to take you to Abuja?
No.
Why? Come and spend some time with me.
You don't think I want to see that?
Hmm?
Joy.
Don't worry, I'll take care of her. Thank you for this.
Chai.
Yes, sir.
So, as I was saying, I'll take you to Abuja.
Yes, sir.
Wow. This is one of the sweetest meal I've had in years.
Thank you, sir.
You just reminded me of my wife back in those fine years. She used to cook just like this. The aroma, the taste, almost like magic.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, my daughter. I am grateful.
You're welcome, sir. Also, I wanted to let you know that I have arranged the visitor's room for you to rest since Mr. Sam is not back yet. So that you can just go relax there. When he comes, I would let you know.
You know, I feel so honored. Thank you. God bless you.
Bless you too, sir. I'll be back for...
Son, I can no longer close my eyes to all your atrocities, and that is why I'm here.
Dad, what is it again? What have I done this time again? Don't you get tired of complaining about me all the time? Don't you get tired?
How can I? You have done everything. How you fire my staff without warning.
That's because they deserve it.
All the good hands we have in the company are gone. You siphon money. You ravage the finances of the company. Wasted resources. I see all these things. But the reason why I am here personally is that land. I bought that land with my sweat at the center of Ikoyi. You put it up for sale without my consent. For what reason?
For every reason, Dad. For every damn reason. You have multiple lands. Why can't you let go of this particular one? Why? Somebody offered a reasonable amount and I thought to let it out.
No, sir. You will do no such thing. That land is strategically positioned. I bought that land because of the major activities coming to that area soon. I want to build a company in that place, a legacy, and you want to throw it away.
Dad, you're old already. And you're half retired. All these lands and businesses you're trying to acquire is for me because I'm your next of kin. So why can't you just calm down and enjoy your retirement? Why? Anyways, I've had a very stressful day. I want to go and rest. We will continue this conversation tomorrow. That's if I want to.
Samuel.
Dad, please.
Samuel.
Dad, please.
Samuel, come back here!
Stop it some other time.
It is well. It is well.
Babe, I don't understand. Your dad just suddenly showed up. What with the sudden visit? And I noticed that he's been giving me some sort of attitude for no reason. Why? What's up with the attitude from your dad? Why does he keep giving me cold shoulders? Like he just doesn't seem to like me one bit for no reason. I haven't for once offended your father. I have been super sweet. I just don't know why he doesn't like me. I can't just place it. What is my offense? That I'm dating you? What have I done wrong? He enjoyed his own marriage. Why is he trying to frustrate me in my own? What have I done wrong? Ha! If he continues like this, I won't lie to you. He has to go. He cannot stay here because I cannot be in the same space with a man like that that does not like me. or wish me well. I said my own no.
I need to have my bath and go to sleep.
Really?
See, all this will sort itself out tomorrow.
Oh, wow. Eh? Ha! Oh, my goodness. Okay. It's okay. No wahala. You know, I don't blame anything, Sham. I just blame heart attack and high blood pressure. They don't not doing their work. When they would have taken, they just killed this man once, but no. No. They left him there. He's living, enjoying his life. God will help me now. God will help me.
Dad, good morning.
Someone. I wanted to ask you yesterday, why is that little girl Joy wearing a maid's uniform alongside her mother? Is she also a maid in this house?
Dad, that decision was between a mom and Clara. They had nothing to do with it.
Samuel, you know I didn't raise you this way. Eh? Samuel, you know I didn't raise you this way. Samuel, I want you to know that whatever that happens from now on is between you and God, and He will judge accordingly.
Whatever, Dad. I'm off to work. I have a whole lot to do.
And what about our talk?
Oh, Dad. Are you leaving today or not? If you're leaving, we'll talk on the phone. But if you're not, when I'm back, we'll talk. Dad, I have an important meeting. I need to go. Please. Have a good day.
It's all right. It's all right.
Baby girl, I swear you can't believe it. Do you know that he gave Joy 500k as he was leaving this morning?
Wow! So he had a responsible and great father like that? Can you imagine? He's such a spoilt brat. I never knew his father could be this good.
Telling you. And that's not even all. The man collected my number. He now told me that there's still plenty to talk about and we'll talk.
He got your number. Hey, okay.
I don't understand. Which one is okay? I beg. Anyway, me, I was just so happy. Even Joy was so happy. For the first time in this house, Joy had somebody to talk to and play with. She was so happy. She even called him Grandpa.
I'm so happy for you, truly. At least no tension since yesterday.
Yes, so I love it for me too. I beg.
And it is marvelous in our sight.
Anyway, how is work?
Work is fine, okay? We'll talk tomorrow. Sleep well, and my regards to Joy. Bye.
All right, my love. Bye. I'll just you.
Hello, my darling. How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you so much for the money once again. I really appreciate it. Joy is saying thank you too.
And how is my daughter doing?
Yes, sir. She's doing very fine.
Okay. I'm just calling to check on you, my darling, and I want you to have a very beautiful day. And please don't stress yourself too much, okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'm really grateful, sir.
And if you need anything, just anything at all, don't hesitate to call me.
much, sir. I'm so grateful.
Okay. Don't worry. I'll call you again, my darling, before the close of work today.
Okay, bye, sir.
Yes. Bye. Such a beautiful girl. Hello, darling.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I hope you slept peacefully.
Yes, I did. Thank you, sir. And you?
Well, I slept well.
Oh, that's very good to hear, sir.
Thanks, darling. Can you check your phone? I sent you something some minutes ago.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. Oh my god. Sir, what should I do with this, sir?
You know, I gave my daughter the last time, so this one is for you.
Oh, thank you so much. I am so grateful, sir. See, God will bless you.
You're welcome. Also, I sent you a link on your WhatsApp. I want you to go through it, okay? Check their dresses, their shoes, their bags. Anything that you like, just order them, okay? And don't worry, I am going to pay for everything.
Thank you so much, sir. Oh my God, I am so grateful. I can't say it enough. I'm so grateful.
It's okay. See, trust me, okay? I am going to come back to Lagos because of you.
Ah, that would be nice. I can't wait to see you again, sir.
Really? Okay, listen, I'm going to call you again when I get to where I'm going to, okay? I will love to hear your voice again.
Sir, you're truly a good person. Thank you so much.
All right. Take care and bye. I think I'm falling in love again. Tell me. She reminds me of my wife.
What? He professed love to you?
Yes. I thought he loves me, he wants to marry me and adopt Joy.
I knew it! When you started giving Joy money, I told you, I knew something was up. But you said I was being too forward.
Yes, you were. I mean, that's basic kindness. Anyway, what am I going to do now?
See, I know you might be having your doubts because of his age. But baby girl, age doesn't really matter. If you like him, tell him you like him. If you don't, also tell him the truth. So do you like him?
I think I like it.
Good girl! Good girl! See, when you get there today, go and meet him and tell him yes, that you have accepted him. Because the money he sends to you, I also benefit from it.
Wow.
Yes!
It's such a keg.
Yes! There's a lot doing. And it's marvelous in our eyes.
Bella.
Yes, what?
Hold on, let me just keep it aside. I can't think too much about it. I need to run before they throw Joy out of the gate for me.
Ha!
I don't get to.
I don't understand you. You will still good thing and you
go
be doing like this. Are you not happy?
Hey.
Eh?
I hear.
Dad.
Hey, son.
You didn't tell me you were flying into Lagos.
That is because I am not here to see you.
You're not here to see me. What exactly are you here to see if not your own son? I don't get it, Dad. Dad,
You see? I told you. I am not here to see you. My dear.
Good day, sir. How you doing?
Hi, hello dear. Please come.
Hello, dear. Dad, what exactly is going on here? What is this?
Well, whatever you are imagining or insinuating, that's it. Come, let me carry you once more. Oh, yeah! What have you been feeding this girl?
What are you saying to me now? No, this has to be a joke now. You are joking, Abby? You must be joking now. You must be joking now. Hey, my love, tell me you're just doing April Fool. Your father is in love with our maid. Abby, my ear is malfunctioning. No, because you must be joking now. This is a April Fool. You're pranking on me, right? Your father, a multi-billionaire, a well-respected man in this society, Chief Smith, wants to marry the maid. That smellos, that stinky girl. Now I'm trying to understand what is going on. That stinky, smelly girl. Okay, wait. Okay. Let me just understand better. Let me get it clearer. My love, you mean that maid will be your stepmother? Like you be calling her mommy, mom? Hey! And my own mother-in-law, me, my mother-in-law. Yeah, it's not possible. It can never happen now. It can never happen. This must be a prank, oh. It must be a prank. It cannot be real. It can never. That mumu, that smellos. Go and come and tell me the truth because you're just playing. You are playing, no? Go and come. Go and come.
Jamie, we've not actually talked about your late husband yet. If you don't mind, I don't want to open the door.
Huh? It's fine. It's okay. Actually, I met him when I wasn't ready to get married. Marriage was not in my plan at the time. But then I got pregnant and things just got complicated from that point. His people didn't want me to marry him because I was older than him and I wasn't a graduate.
You're not a graduate?
I'm not. I dropped out of school to take care of my sick father, who later died, by the way.
I'm sorry, dear. I'm sorry about that.
And from that point, I had to take care of my younger brother. School was just impossible. And then I lost my younger brother too. It felt like life was closing in on me and everything was crashing down on me.
Oh, yes.
That was the point where I met my late husband. He gave me hope and comfort. Real, genuine comfort. His people didn't want me, but he stood by me. He didn't care. And shortly after that, we discovered I was pregnant. So we got married. That was when the real problem started. We struggled. We managed in a tiny one-bedroom apartment.
the scarcity of light and water was the order of the day. My late husband had an elder brother who promised to take care of us. He made so many promises to be there for us financially. But he did none of that. Rather, he would send my husband on errand upon errand and give him little to no money. It was on one of those errands that my husband had an accident. And that was how he lost his life.
Please. Not even a word. It's okay. Timmy, I know that words can bring them back, and I'm sorry for your loss. But I want you to know one thing. I'm here now. Now that you are with me, everything is going to be alright. You are going back to school to finish, okay? And we'll take it from there. I just want you and Joy, of course. I want you to know that I am here all the way. I will take good care of you. Please, wipe your tears. I'm here to take care of you. And Joy too. Okay? I'm sorry. It's fine.
Where's the Uber guy now? He said he was outside.
I said he was here.
Let's stay under the tree. Fine girl. See the way you are shining like the sun. You're glowing. Incoming Mrs. Smith.
That's me.
Oh, wait. Let me get this straight. You're going back to school next month.
Yes. And it still feels like a dream. Like, I can't even wrap my head around it. I swear. Bosha, I chose online schooling so I can be close to my baby and take care of him. Besides, we're moving to Abuja after the wedding.
Are you serious?
Yes, and I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. I'm so happy for you.
I know.
What God cannot do does not exist.
That's right. See, guess what?
What?
Yesterday, we moved into his Lagos apartment.
Big girl doings. Odogu Parara.
That's me.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
You deserve it.
Thank you, my love. See, Bella, thank you. Thank you for everything. Like, God will bless you so much. Thank you.
Thank you for everything, too. All the money you've been sending to me. Guess what I did?
What did you
Guess now.
This girl, what did you do?
I went to deposit in a very stylish 2-bedroom flat. If you see how's fine.
This babe.
Me now.
Anyway, it's your season. It's your time. And I love it for you. Don't worry.
Thank you.
More alerts coming. You go see alert. You go tire. Hey, you go.
Can your friend
ever?
So what about my baby?
She's fine, no. She does school.
Oh.
Chief's driver will pick her once she closes.
See the way they do your house, like.
That's what they do for our house now.
My girl, your hair,
baby.
You never see sponge wear that time. You never wear sponge now. You only all back month to month.
And my baby buy this one.
Oh, it's nice.
So look at you, that whole body.
Look, I'm never attending that wedding. Never! That girl is just an opportunist. She crawled into my father's life like a snake. I'm sure she said just there. I'm so sure. Because obviously my dad is not thinking straight. What the hell is it doing with a maid? A rich man like that? This doesn't even make any sense at all.
No sense, so. No single term.
I will never attend that wedding. Sense.
My love, I support you. With my full chest, I support you. What nonsense?
Never.
Never. My love, I think this matter is a bit dicey. We have to calm down, you know? We have to really calm down. Because if we don't accept them now, then who's going to support our own marriage?
What are you talking about?
Baby, you know your father is so rich now. And with his kind of money, he can support our wedding, sponsor even the honeymoon. So let's just pretend. Eh? Let's just attend. Not because we really want to, but because we don't have a choice. You understand? Let's just calm down. You know I keep telling you this thing. That this your father has refused to die. I don't understand. Because I don't know why an old man would be finding a fresh blood to renew his life.
What are you talking about? You actually wishing my father death?
I'm not wishing him to me.
That's what you just did.
No. I'm just saying that he should just die on time. Because if he dies on time, I love you, become the next of kin now. Then when he dies, you can pursue that stupid girl out of the house to make life easier for her. Don't you understand? I'm trying to make life easy for you. Because I love you. I care about your success. Hey, honey, please come. I know you're just overreacting. Baby, sugar, come. Oh, let me explain further.
Why wouldn't they show up? Why? I was very close to selling this huge deal, and the investors just ghosted me. They stood me up completely. Why would they do a thing like that? No, that was not the plan. Let me call you back, please.
Alpha. The investors are not here yet. What happened?
I don't know. Still, I don't know. And this is supposed to be one of my biggest deals ever. I've got plans, Austin.
Something is off. Well, you need to find out what it is.
Damn it. Oh God, I need this deal. I've got plans. I've got good plans.
Well. Look at who we have here. My own son that chose to be incommunicado for months. You don't return my calls. And finally, you are here. It's good to see you again, my son. So if I may ask, what do I owe this?
Cut the pretense, Dad. Cut the pretense. You think I didn't see everything you did? I saw it. I was this close to closing that huge deal. You caught the investors and poisoned their mind. They stood me up, Dad. They stood me up. Why would you do a thing like that to me? Why?
My son, don't tell me you flew all the way from Lagos to Abuja to fight your own father.
I need answers, Dad. Now.
You want answers?
No.
I will give it to you. You see, I realize that this contract is so cumbersome for someone like you to handle. Yes. I know you, my son. If you get the full funding of that contract, you will not even use the 10% of it right. That company, I kept my eyes on them for 10 good years. Reputable, globally, and solid. If they are responding, finally responding, thanks to your effort, good. But I cannot risk them forming bad, false reputation about me. So I had to step in. We are not ready yet.
What are you talking about? Why would you do a thing like this to your own son, your only son? You think I will mismanage the funds? Is that what you're thinking, Dad?
Yes. You know, I actually got an information that you are planning to buy a Cybertruck. Yes. Come on.
This is
Are you trying to compete with all these celebrities that lives a lavish lifestyle because of what they do. They work for their money. But you want to run your father's company's funds because you want to buy a luxury car.
My company, Dad. I am your next of kin. My company, it's mine.
Then wait till I'm gone. But for now, it's my company.
Dad, what you're doing doesn't make any sense at all. It doesn't. But by the way, who told you I want to get to Cyber Talk? Oh, you're not stalking me, right? Is that what you're doing, Dad? Ah, what a shameful act.
Samuel, have you forgotten I'm your father? I gave birth to you and I know you too well.
Dad, I don't understand why what you're doing is not fair. You're not being fair, Dad. I'm just...
Sam.
Hello, darling. Are you talking to me? Are you out of your mind? Ungrateful opportunist. Are you...
How dare you talk to my wife that way?
Don't even dare.
How dare he?
You really have to calm down. Okay, I know you're upset, but he's still your son. Your only son.
Being the only son is not a license to be stupid and mannerless.
I know. Okay, but trust me, I know you know what I'm talking about. If you keep pulling the carpet off his feet or under his feet, then I don't know what will happen. Please don't push him too far, please.
You know what? I think it's fine. It's okay. I know what I'm doing. Okay? Just don't worry.
Okay, but I don't want anything to happen to you. I don't want any of this to start affecting your health, or I don't want anything that will make you think too much. Please, like, all I'm saying is, just take it easy. Huh?
Okay. Like I said, it's fine. All I want is for you to just be okay. Okay?
Yeah, I'll be okay if you're fine.
Thanks, dear.
You should relax. Right?
Wait, hold on. Do you mean he stopped the deal simply because he got some information that he wanted to buy a car?
Do you imagine the nonsense? Just imagine. And I'm very sure that stupid secretary told him everything. I'm very sure.
Come to think of it, how come secretary knows about it? I don't know about it and you still call me your friend?
Look, I'm sorry. Okay? I'm truly sorry. Clara wanted us to get to Cyber Talk. She said without that she won't accept my engagement.
Did I hear you say cyber truck?
Yes, Cyber Talk. Yes. So I wanted to make it a surprise. That's the truth. There was this day I was on a call with my dealer trying to finalize the deal. My secretary bashed in without knocking. I'm sure that's the moment she took the news and went straight to my dad. Nonsense. You know what? She's leaving this company.
Oh, spare me that. Spare me that, please. We have some more important things to deal with, and every day you're talking about firing and hiring. Is that the way you plan to move the company forward?
I don't care. Austin, I don't care. As long as she leaves this place today, I don't care.
Hold on. You actually wanted to buy a car just to impress a girl. And then siphon the rest, of course, as usual. Samuel.
Says us to stop today.
Baby, my love, the love of my life. So tell me, what about the 150 million you promised to give to me? What about it?
Darling, can't you just read the handwriting on the wall?
Read what handwriting?
Can't you just read the handwriting on the wall?
I don't understand. Am I dating you to start reading handwriting on the wall? What do you mean by that?
The deal didn't click. The deal did not click. And I'm broke. My dad blocked every connection I had, everything. And the only way I used to siphon money from the account, he blocked it. So I'm out of cash right now.
So what are we going to do?
I don't know.
Well, you must know. My love, you cannot be confused. And you relax. You breathe and relax. You can't be confused. Because you know so well that I want to start my importation business. I've called the manufacturers, I've called the shipping line. They said that once I send money, they'll ship down my head to me in Nigeria. You know this. So you can't be confused though. Please just find a way to, talk to your father and make this thing work. Because you know that money drives this our love. Only money drives this relationship.
But a second. Excuse me. What is that supposed to mean? Money drive our love. What is the root of our love?
Baby, you know I cannot pretend. I don't know how to pretend.
Are you telling me that?
I'm not a fake person now. I'm not being honest. Let me just shock you. I cannot survive without money. I cannot breathe without money. Money is the one that gives me oxygen. Oh, so please, you know now. You know.
But I've been spending on you lately. I've spent so much. You know what? I don't know what to say.
Oh, thank God. Just it's even good you don't know what to say, because the only thing I can advise you as your girlfriend is to calm down, swallow your pride. That pride, throw it away. It's not needed. Go and beg your father. The fight you guys have is just normal between father and son. Talk to him. Relax, say
I said it's never happening. I'm not going to beg it. I'm not.
I need the money now.
I said I won't beg him.
Okay, for the money's sake, just beg him. For the money, just beg him. Only, just relax.
You know my father. He's a very stubborn man. Whether he likes it or not, he'll come around when it's done. I beg him. I know him too well. He won't be bothered with food.
You want to sleep? You want to sleep? My love, find a way to fix this thing. Just find a way. As you're sleeping, just think about it, in your dream. Think about it, because you will see me in that dream begging you for money. So go and beg your father.
Hello? Who's this, please?
Good morning, Mrs. Smith.
Good morning.
I'm sorry to inform you that there has been an accident. The plane Chief Smith boarded to China just crashed 1 hour ago. I'm truly sorry to be a bearer of bad news.
morning, Mr. Smith.
Hey, good morning. What may I want to please?
I'm sorry to be the bearer of this bad news. The plane your father boarded to China this morning crashed, and unfortunately there were no survivors. We are sorry for the loss.
Wait, what? What are you talking about? What do you mean? Hello? 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 Oh. 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 No. 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 Oh. Oh.
Babe, you know I keep telling that this God, the God I serve, he loves me. In fact, I am God's favorite child. So now I can just finally thank God that God has done it for me. Ah! So now I can just, in fact, I'm just so relieved. Oh, that's all I can say. I am super relieved. Mm-hmm.
What do you mean by that?
I don't understand. Which kind of question be this one? Girl, you don't forget that that man has been a thorn in my flesh. Eh? Have you forgotten? So I beg, go leave me. Oh. Now when say don't finally die, my man and I can now access everything that belongs to him. So all the companies, you know, the one in London, the one in Jamaica, the one in Nigeria, the one everywhere, my love, hey, he choke. So I am just so excited. So now my man and I can actually just sit down, relax, and get married in peace. In peace and not pieces. God, you are too good, oh. God, thank you. The Lord has done it.
Clara.
Hmm?
That's something you say about your late father-in-law to me. That's cold.
So who hot help? No, who you don't hear say hot help? If I'm cold, it's not better for me. Will I see? Just leave me, oh, because me, I don't like to do fake things. So I cannot pretend in this life. I am so real, and you know I am a real person. I am so real. So just come and calm down. Either you celebrate with me, you jollificate with me. Just come and appreciate God for me. Come and thank God for me. The Lord has done it. Come and thank God for your friend. Don't be jealous, eh? I beg. I beg, leave me this girl, eh? I beg, rest. Rest and be happy with me. Enjoy with me. Celebrate with me. Thank God for me.
This is the last official will and testament of Chief Jonathan Smith. Greetings to my amazing wife and my wonderful children, Sam and John. I love you all. This is how I, Chief Jonathan Smith, wish my assets and properties to be shared upon my death. All that I own, my houses, my companies in Lagos, Abuja, my manufacturing company in China, all my distribution outlets in Indonesia and Dubai, my shipping line and my telecommunication company, the money in all my accounts, every vehicle and every single asset I possess, except my village house, shall be given to my lovely wife, Tammy Smith, and my daughter, Joy Smith.
What are you talking about, Mr. Lawyer? What is the meaning of the
Calm
nonsense you
down.
just said?
Calm down.
Like what did you just say?
Calm down.
Sweet.
Are you sure you're reading the right?
Is she?
Really? Because
Yeah.
that is.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Okay, go ahead.
My house in the village shall be for my first son, Samuel Smith, and that shall be his right and only inheritance from me.
Nonsense are you talking about, Mr. Lawyer?
Oh, let me finish.
Finish what?
Let me finish.
The house in the village. Like, are you sure you're reading the right will?
Down. As at the time this will be read, the bank manager would have frozen all accounts held by Samuel Smith. Calm down. I'm
Tell me
still
to
reading.
Go ahead.
Down.
You're telling me to calm down for what? That you're saying? Okay.
Calm down. The house he resides in, Lagos, is to be put up for sale within 72 hours of this reading. All the vehicles in the house registered on my name are to be sold off and the money remitted to my wife.
Bullshit! Barrister! You are saying bullshit! But are you sure you're reading my father's will? Or a doctored will? Which?
He's right here.
And
I haven't finished yet.
You can never finish, Barrister.
I haven't finished
What exactly
yet.
are you shut up?
Okay. Hi!
Calm down.
How's this will my father's will?
Calm down.
Oh, I see what you're doing, right?
Let me finish.
What if you're playing a game here, right?
Let me finished. I hereby instruct that my lovely son, Samuel Smith, start his life from scratch and walk his way up like a man.
So this is why you want me to calm down, right? This rubbish you just
This
said.
will is final and must not be tampered with.
What did you do to my father's will? But what did you do to my father's will?
What are you talking about?
Look, so this is your plan. You want to strip me of everything that belongs to me, right? It will not work. Your plan. So Timmy, this is the game you've been playing all along, right? To reap where you did not sow. You have failed. Woefully. And both of you will hear from my lawyer very soon. I will contest this will in court. I swear to God, you will hear from me soon. Let's go. Nonsense.
Lawyer. What? Lawyer. The both of you. Honey, please wait.
What are you doing? Babe, I'm talking to you. What is going on here?
And what does it look like I'm doing? Of course, I'm packing my things.
Pack?
Oh, yes, you heard me correctly.
Packing to where?
Oh,
Where?
to your village. Sam, to your village. No, wait, Sam. So you expect me, You expect this pretty damsel to live with you? With your broke life, I should stay with you. When your father feels like you're not even important to even give you common 5 kobo, you are left with, you're an empty, as you are now, you are an empty galapo. That's what you are. So you think that, so if your father that gave birth to you think that you're not good enough, is it me that want to stay with you?
So,
Let me just inform you, let me just clear you now. As I'm packing my things, go and pack your things. Go and pack, before they come and scatter, because you know he said they will break this house, that he will sell the house. Go and pack your things. So if it's under a bridge, you'll be staying under the one in the church or maybe a jack. Go and pack. Go and join them.
Are you telling me that you're leaving me just like that after everything we've been through together?
Am I speaking French? No. Okay. Everything. What have you done for me? No, what have you done for me now?
Are you seriously asking me that?
Okay.
Clara.
Sam.
Me?
I did everything for you.
Oh, wow.
When I had money, I spent it all on you. Every single day. Every dime. I even wanted to get you a Tesla Cybertruck, and you're telling me this?
Sunday will see. Hey, Sam, that cyber will cyberlize your mouth. Cyber won't wish truck. I don't blame you. Your wife is to be wanting. You're a wanted man. You're a wanted criminal. A wanted broke man. Same way you wanted to marry me. Same way you wanted to inherit the fire property. Same way you wanted to kill you. That one thing you're looking for was to kill you. Sam, take your wanted life out to the bridge. That's what you deserve. Oh. That is where you are meant to be there. Oh. You're a wanted man. Oh. If as I'm living here now, I'll go and put your face on the poster. Wanted. Sam is wanted. Wanted kill you. You wanted to buy me Cybertruck. You wanted to buy me one. This is not happening. Well, I have nothing to say to you anymore.
This is not happening.
There's no point. Let me reserve my strength for a rich man. You're a broke man. A broke man. Fine boy, no money. Fine boy, brokenness. Fine boy, wanted. Okay, leave the road though before I push you. Shift. Leave. Oh. Leave now.
So this is it. Hello, Austin. Alpha guy, I've been calling you for this now. Yeah, Austin, please, I need you to lend me some money, please. Look, fine, I know that I've borrowed so much lately, but I beg you, I really need this money, please. Yeah, I know you gave me, look, I need this one to get a new place. The useless landlord threw my things out this morning. Please, I beg you, Austin. Please help me. Help me. Look, guy, I promise I'll pay you back. Please, I need this money to get a new place. Where will I sleep? I beg you, just find a way around. Just help me, bro, I beg. You said you were coming back the last time, but you didn't call back. Please, hello? Austin.
Monica's heart in the rain. She wears her past like a chain. Cause of pain.
Dad, I am sorry. I am so sorry. It's not even up to a year, and I have already learned my lessons the hard way. I should have listened to you. I should have respected you. I should have avoided Clara. You warned me several times about her, but I thought I knew it all. I thought you were just trying to control me. I thought you didn't want me to enjoy my life. But now, everything you said makes sense to me. You were trying to make me a man, a better man. I see that now. I am so sorry for all the disrespect. I'm so sorry for all the pain I caused you. For not being the son you deserve, for not being the son that you should be proud of. I'm sorry. I let you down, Dad. I let you down. I let myself down. Even the woman I thought loved me walked away the moment you took everything from me. If only I have one more chance to say thank you. Thank you for being an amazing father. One more chance to prove that I could change. I miss you, Dad. I miss you so much.
Hey, what are you doing here? No, no. Please, you can sit.
Timmy. I know I don't deserve to be here. I have done terrible things to you. Terrible, terrible things. But please. Please forgive me. Please. The past few months have been hell for me. I have learned my lesson the hard way. I just hope somehow my dad forgives me wherever he is. I just hope. Please. Please. I've come to ask for a favor. Please. If there's any position, anything at all in the company, anything, I swear, I'll gladly do it. Anything at all. Life has been miserable for me. I'm so miserable. Please. 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 Please.
I apologize for keeping you waiting. You know what, Sam? Everything is fine. I am beyond glad that you've learned your lesson. And now you understand that life has many faces. And when it shows you a beautiful face, it's not because you're better than everyone else. It's just because you're privileged. And no condition is permanent. I just wish your father was alive to see this version of you. This changed version. He would have been so proud. But
God knows best. I truly hope and pray that He has forgiven you. And as per your request for the job at the company, it is completely impossible to grant you an opportunity at the company. However, here, $100 million. Go ahead and start your life again. Do something, anything, build something. Do whatever you believe in. I believe in you now, the new you.
$100 million.
Yes. 100 million. Take it. I wish you all the best. And I hope this change stays forever.
Thank you so much. I'm really grateful.
You're welcome.
Oh.
In the shadows where I hide, a heartache deep inside, tears fall like the rain, whispers call your name, memories so bittersweet. Your touch I still repeat, lost in thoughts of you. Broken dreams we once knew. Quiet love in the night, wishing you'd hold me tight. 1,000 regrets in my soul.